Okay, students, so we are going to continue with the life in the city. Okay, that there were people also who used to plan and construct the special buildings in the city. Rulers sent people to distant land to get material and precious stone, etc. Okay, means they are saying there might be rulers at that time so many years ago and used to ask people to go to remote areas, distant land, and get some important metal and precious stones that can be used in increasing their pride in the decoration purpose, etc. Okay, so next they are talking about scribe. That scribe are the people who knew how to write, and these were the people who knew how to write, and with the help of these people seals were prepared. Okay, terracotta toys were also there, and children must have played with these toys. Okay, and let me show you again something, that these are the terracotta toys. Okay, these are the terracotta toys, you can see. And here this is the seal. This is the seal which we are going to read in further chapter. We are going to read about it in further chapter. This is the script and this is the symbol of an animal used in it. Okay, some animal is carved out on it and it is rectangular in shape, and it is said that it was made out of stone. Okay, so they are saying new crafts in the city, that the metals they use were copper, bronze, gold and silver. The people were aware about these metal, and they used to make ornaments, you can say that tools out of these metals, especially copper and bronze. Okay, Harappans made seal out of stones, generally rectangular in shape, and have an animal carved that you have already seen. Then there was faience that was used to make beads, bangles and earrings. And next they are talking about specialists, that these are the people who are trained to do one kind of work. That one kind of work can be cutting of stone or some polishing work, etc, etc. Okay, raw material, you all know what is raw material, the substance that are either found naturally or produced by farmer or herder. Okay, that the substance which is available to us naturally, that is produced by farmer or the herder. Then they are talking about that what kind of crops or plants were found here. They are saying that remains of some plants like wheat, barley, pulses, peas had been found here. Plow was used to dig the earth for turning soil and planting seeds. That is, plow was helpful in farming. Okay, now as I told you, Dholvir and Lothal we are going to study here. That it is located on Khyderabad in the run of the Kutch. Okay, you have seen its location. And this city was divided into three parts. Each part consists of big massive walls with the entrance gateway, and there were also large open areas for public ceremonies. Lothal, that this city stood besides a tributary of Sabarmati, and which is close to the Gulf of Khambat. Okay, you have seen its location on the map. The purpose of showing you this location on the map was to make this concept more clear. Then they are telling us that semi-precious stones were easily available here, and a storehouse is also found in this city. Now we are going to study about seal and sealings. That seals may have been used to stamp the bag. You know that after a bag was closed, a bag is closed, and a layer of wet mud was put on that clay. Okay, and what happened when that wet clay was put on that packet or a bag, a seal was taken and was pressed on that packet. Okay, and that impression of seal was called as sealing. Now in the last mystery of the ant, okay, that how this civilization came to an end. So they are saying that there are so many scholars and historians who used to give their views. Some say that rivers might have dried up. Okay, so this can be the reason of the end. Deforestation, you all know, that is regular cutting of trees on a large scale. Floods can be the reason, or rulers had lost their control can be the another reason. So this was your chapter.